Okay, hi guys, welcome back to another video, and sorry I couldn't upload yesterday because I was busy with stuff and busy tracking the storm or lost track of time. But I'm back. Currently, Fred is a tropical storm, and this storm is going to have pretty big impacts. You can see that the impact of the storm is so large that it's going to spread to Louisiana and Mississippi. And a lot of the models showed it was going to go toward Mississippi or Alabama. So more of the tropical storm force winds could be around Mississippi or Louisiana. And this is the 50-knot wind speed possibilities right here to 10% chance. And this is the arrival time tropical storm force winds. Sunday 8 a.m. tropical storm force winds arrive in Port Sulphur all the way to Charleston, South Carolina. Not really sure. But this is the most likely arrival time tropical storm force winds. Sunday 8 p.m. It's going to arrive most likely in Louisiana and Mississippi, Georgia, and South Carolina. And this is the current cone. Look how big the cone of this storm is. The cone stretches all the way from Louisiana to Georgia and all of South Carolina. Well, there could be some shear, and the Bermuda high pressure could actually steer the storm toward Mississippi or Louisiana. You can see that the storm goes straight, and it kind of takes a small curve that way, but then it goes straight. And after that, it kind of takes a little curve toward Louisiana. So it could most likely just go straight and take a turn toward Mississippi or this little edge of Alabama. Well, when the next update comes out, which shows the storm is right around here, then probably the impact of the storm's impact would be stretched all the way to here on Mississippi. And if the storm was right here in this spot at the next update, then the impact would spread all the way here to New Orleans, and the impact was spread all the way to Mississippi. Well, it could be a likely possibility or something. And after that, they have another tropical wave behind that storm that's gonna pretty much there's gonna be a system behind Fred, and it's gonna be a pretty strong system, and it shows it's gonna hit Louisiana. Let's go tropical tidbits, and after that, let's go to windy.com to check on Fred and that next wave behind it. Okay, currently we're on tropical tidbits, and this is Tropical Storm Fred on current storms. Currently has maximum winds of 35 knots. This is the satellite imagery. And this is the impact thing. Currently, it's about to hit the Dominican Republic. And you can see models right here show it could go a little more toward Mississippi. Like this model, it kind of looks like it could go a little bit more toward Mississippi, and then it just takes a curve there. But this one's a little different. It shows it'll do that, but I would say there's like a likely possibility of it hitting Louisiana and Mississippi, because when a storm tracks this way, you can see a bunch of models going this direction. And this storm could hit Louisiana as a potential major hurricane because they have this little red line that hits Louisiana, which means the storm could hit Louisiana at a 980 to a 970 millibar. So that could be a little crazy there. And it's most likely going to be a tropical storm. As it gets to Florida or Alabama, it becomes a hurricane. And let's go to the forecast models to see the track of the storm. Okay, so according to the GFS, you know that's going to hit Florida, and after that it's going to go toward Georgia. But the CMC model shows that this storm is also going to hit Florida, hit Georgia, and a little bit of Alabama. But the Navigam model shows that the storm is going to go into the Gulf and could be a weak system. But the Navigam model shows it could be a little closer to Louisiana and then hit Mississippi or Alabama. The Icon model shows Fred's going to end up right here. Let's go to windy.com to check out that tropical wave behind Fred. Okay guys, currently we're on windy.com. And as I move the bar, you can see that next wave comes and enters the Caribbean, and it kind of does the same track just like Fred, but the storm is a little stronger on this model. Shows it's going to be the same track on the islands, but this is not going to be the same track. Fred's track was like this way, but this storm is going to be a little different. The storm is going to go this way and then go there. As I move it, you can see the storm just swirls up there, then dies by the time it makes landfall. Well guys, that's going to be the end for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.